Hello everyone, this is Gardening and Grilling, Omar Ballard. Today is Friday, June 17th, 2022. On this episode we're going to be grilling some chicken kebabs and then I'll show you the garden. Stay tuned. So here I have the charcoal going. It's just about ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these grates and we're going to put them in. 1, 2. Alright, those grates are in. Got a nice smoke going. Gonna give it a scrub quick. Nice scrub. Scrub all that tar and burnt debris from the last grill. Clean off your top too. All right, that baby's ready. Cooking on the Expert Grill from Walmart, the 24-incher. Okay, now we're going to set our meat down. These are chicken kebabs. So we'll place them on there like that. I'm going to put them on the top layer first so they won't burn. Going to slow cook them. And then once the temperature gets to where I want it, I'll bring them down to the lower level. And then see, with this grill, you can lower or raise the fire, which is awesome. I love this grill. Expert Grill, you did a good job with this one. So we're gonna put all our meat on there. These are chicken kebabs with pepper, onions, green peppers, and a tomato here and there. It's gonna be good. Sorry if the camera's shaky. I don't have a GoPro yet. I'm working on getting one. So where I can just, set the camera up and talk and, but just bear with me. You're a part of the process. Watch my glow up. Okay. Okay. Now, when I cook on a grill, I have a hot side and a cool side. So I can monitor the temperature while I cook. So we'll put some on a lower level, but on a cool side. Those babies look pretty. Oh, they look pretty, pretty, pretty. We're going to eat them with a side of mushroom coconut rice. Okay. Let's close this baby and let them do what they do. It's going to take about probably an hour. And then I'm going to drip some teriyaki sauce on them. Here's the green beans. Something got to him. It's a skunk. We caught him the other night. He's nibbling away at the tops of my green beans, but they're doing pretty good. Look at that pepper. Oh my God. Gave us some Marigro and it like sprouted all over the place. Pepper in the back there. Pepper there. Eggplants are looking good. Got some green onion there. We got some Armenian cucumbers in the back. They're just starting to crawl. And they're doing pretty good. This year I noticed that our pests were bad this year. There's the zinnias. Love that color. This is mustard green. I finally figured out what it was. Basil. The slugs ate my basil. Sweet pea flowers are crawling up the trellis. Starting some lemon basil in there because the one I planted before in May did not sprout. So I'm going to try it again now. So I use a little greenhouse that I purchased from Walmart. My favorite place, by the way. Look at the pumpkins. Ooh, they're just crawling all over the place. They're looking pretty good. I had to pull them out the tree, man. They crawled up the tree. You know, I want to at least get 4 pumpkins off of these 2 vines. I have a vine here and a vine in the back. Brought to you by Bud Light Lime. Just kidding. But if they want to cut me a check, go ahead. Morning glories are crawling up the fence. All right, let's check my herb garden out. I'm just so happy this year, minus the pest problem. We got skunks and slugs galore here in northeastern Pennsylvania. We're in the middle of June. Got the tomatoes. They're looking pretty good. That's a collard green. That's the parsley. That's the oregano. That's the green onion. Armenian cucumber is doing pretty good. It's so happy. It's just crawling away. More tomatoes. More oregano. Ooh, just noticed that. I got another tomato that popped up from last year. Basically, the tomatoes dropped on the ground and they reseeded themselves this year. That's my son's hot rod. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a bonus. That'll be included in the next video. I'll tell you all about these guys. I'll tell you all about these guys in my next episode. I built them a little enclosure. These guys are from Florida. Let's check on them kebabs. Oh yeah. Cooking beautifully. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Gardening and Grilling, Omar Ballard.